Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to stop hair loss. I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple rinse out that is going to help you stop excessive shedding of hair, and it's also going to help you retain length, because we all know that one problem we experience is breaking of hair, and if your hair is breaking out you will not be able to grow a thicker and longer hair. So this treatment is going to help you retain length and is also going to help you grow your hair. So keep watching. So guys, I'm going to be making rinse out spray, meaning I'm going to be washing out this treatment after some time. And to make this spray, I'm going to be using green tea. Guys, if green tea doesn't work well with your hair, please go ahead and use black tea, because most people prefer black tea to green tea. But I don't have a problem with either of them. I can use green tea, I can use black tea, but for this video I'm going to be using this green tea, and I'm using 1 tea bag of green tea. Depending on the volume and the length of your hair, you can use 2, but I'm using 1. And I added 500 ml of water because I'm going to be boiling this. And the next ingredient I'm adding is clove. Guys, clove is a powerhouse of nutrient for the natural hair. Like, it helps promote longer and thicker hair, and it also helps to stop excessive shedding of hair. So guys, I have a couple of videos on this channel how I make clove water and the clove water challenge I did for 7 days. If you have not seen those videos, please do well to check them out because you find them very helpful. So guys, I went ahead and boiled this for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes this is what we have. The water is now brownish in color. Like you can see from this video, when we started, the color of the water was not like this. This is to tell you the ingredients have properly infused into the water. So I'm just going to set this aside for 10 minutes to cool down, and then the next thing I'm doing here is to get my sieve and sieve out the water. So guys, this treatment is going to help you stop hair shedding. Like, green tea is a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamin B, which plays a major role in controlling hair fall. Green tea also helps in getting rid of split end, and it also helps in reducing DHT levels, which is responsible for hair loss, guys. And to make this treatment more effective, I went ahead and added clove, which we all know is very good in promoting healthy hair growth, and it also helps in reducing hair fall. So guys, if your hair is falling off, if you're experiencing excessive shedding of hair, please do well to use this treatment and let me know what you think about it. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to apply this treatment on your hair, so don't go away. So guys, this is what my hair is looking like I've already washed and conditioned my hair. So this is what I'm going to be working with. I'm working with a clean hair. You want to make sure your hair is very clean because you're not going to be using shampoo after applying this treatment. So over here, I'm just spraying this all over my hair, and I'm going to give it a good massage when I'm sure I've sprayed all over my scalp, my ends, my hairline. So guys, I will advise you, when you're doing this at home, you don't need a spray bottle. Just pour this treatment in a bowl and go into the shower, then pour it all over your scalp, pour it all over your hair, massage it very well, then cover your hair with a shower cap. I had to use a spray bottle for the purpose of this video because I was looking for the easy way to show you guys how to use this treatment. So after pouring it in section, I'm just going to go ahead and detangle my hair very gently. Then after that, I'm going to cover my hair with a shower cap. So guys, I'm going to be leaving this treatment on my hair overnight, and I'm going to wash it off in the morning. I'm not going to be using any shampoo or conditioner when I'm rinsing this out. I'm just going to use only water because I don't want to wash off the benefit I'm trying to get from this treatment. So I'm just going to rinse it out with water, and I'll go ahead and style my hair after rinsing it. And that is just all for this treatment, guys. You really need to try this treatment if your hair is falling off. It's going to help you promote longer hair. It's going to help you stop excessive shedding of hair. Like, it's going to do a lot of good to your hair. So make sure to try it out. And guys, that is all for this video. Do well to leave your comments down below, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, please share it to your family and friends. Okay guys, so that will be all for now. See you all in my next. Bye.